Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with a tech video. Now this is a short video. I want to do an update on the review on my JBLs. Now, headphones. Now, I was going to say gaming headphones. Now, I wanted to do a short update because I did these a while back, these headphones. If you guys want to check out the video, I actually did 3 videos, but one of them hit 60,000 views, and I'm still getting constantly views and comments and everything on these headphones. So I want to get into these real quick and talk about these real quick. So I've been using these for quite a while now. More than a couple months, like 5, 6, 7 months. I've been using these for a while and they were great. Now they do come in 5 different colors. They come in black, red, green, white, and blue. So if you guys want to pick up different colors, go for it. I did want to get the whites, but they didn't have them at T-Mobile, and that's where I purchased them. At T-Mobile for $99. Now a lot of people ask me, how do they sound? Now JBLs make some great speakers and they do make some great headphones. Now, do I recommend these when you're gaming on the computer? No, they don't sound, they're not meant for gaming. I use these mostly for music or stuff. And that's why I said, if you're going to get a gaming headset, get a special gaming headset. These are just meant for music and everything. I use these all the time. Now, they do have 16-hour battery life and 2-hour quick charge. So that is great. Now, you guys are probably saying 16-hour battery life. Now listen, I've been using these gyms and I take these all the time, and I've been using them. And I go to the gym like at least 5 days a week with them, and I constantly use them for over an hour, and I haven't even charged them in 2 weeks. So the battery lasts a lot longer than they expect. Now, these things are wireless Bluetooth. Now they connect super fast and they're super responsive. Now the thing is, they do have a wire that comes with the attachment. If you want to use the wire, you can. But why would you have wireless headphones if you're going to use a wire? But just in case they die or whatever. So you have that option. Now the comfort on these headphones, I cannot explain how comfortable these are. Now they are a little bit smaller, as you guys can tell. They are kind of small, and you know, they do look smaller. Now, when they fit perfect. They don't move around. Now, I did have a problem with the first ones that I bought. They were a little defective. Every time I kept moving them, they would just loose. One side would be kind of loose and everything. So I had that issue with these, but I did return them, and T-Mobile gave me a new pair, and I haven't had that issue since. Now, like I said before, the audio sounds great on these headphones. I can't really show you, but I can tell you, JBL makes great speakers, like I said. So great headphones, yes. Now they're very comfortable, like I said. They don't hurt after wearing them periods of time and stuff. Now they do have this nice, cool little JBL logo right here, and this nice little fabric, soft material. So I recommend it. Now someone asked me, questioned me before on these when you're sweating and stuff. These are sweat proof, so you know, if you are constantly sweating, you're afraid to get these ruined, don't worry about it. They're good. So other than that, these are pretty much good quality headphones. Now I use these for when I go on the car or I go traveling or somewhere, and I take them with me and I just listen to music. So these are the only ones that I actually have. I do have another set. It's not JBL, it's by Box, a company that did send me some wireless headphones, and they were great. But these are my main drivers I use all the time. Now people ask me, Josh, should I go to the Beats? Now, my friend has the Beats, and he said the thing is, they are super bassy. Now these do pack a good punch, but they're not super bassy like the Beats. These sound great. I'm just telling you, I had a lot of people actually buy these because of my review. I'm sure the Sonys or the Bose are really good, but for $99, you can't beat that. Now, like I said, if you don't like the small cups, you can always get the bigger cups so they fit more around the ear and stuff. But yeah, so these are the E45BT. So if you guys want to check these out, I'll put it in the description below. I actually want to do a short little update review on these. Now, real quick, if you want to access your phone, you don't have to when it's on the Bluetooth. If you actually right here, you can pause, play, and fast forward it all on your headphones, so you don't have to go to your phone and drain your battery. So it's pretty cool. You just right there, and you could just click it, boom, you're ready to go. You can put it around the neck and just pretty much bam. As you guys see in my pictures, in my little thumbnail picture, I have a picture of me wearing these because I just love them. I like how it just fits around my neck and it stays right there. Now they do have the left and right on here, and they got the charge right there. Now the charge cable is really cool. It does come with the orange with the box, so it's like an orange color because that's what JBL's color is. So these are pretty simple. You just connect them and they're ready to go. But that's about it, guys. I want to do a little short review on these and stuff. Pretty much I think I went over everything. The charge, about 2 hours charge and 16-hour battery life. So this has a 3.5mm jack. So I mean, these are great, and you get a 1-year warranty. Come in white, blue, green. Now the green to me is kind of like a teal, so in red. So they're kind of like the bees. They have all different colors. So guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. I'll put this in my tech review playlist down below where I'll do an update review on these headphones. So other than that, these are just great headphones to purchase. Now I'm still getting comments and hits on this JBL update. 60,000 views on this tech video I did. Now I did do an update on the defective one, so I'll put that all down below in the description, the playlist, and those 3 videos if you guys want to check them out, and the description of this. Also, don't forget to if you guys want to subscribe to my Patreon, and it's only $1 a month, I'll put that link down below. It's to support me and my channel, and everything will go to the channel. So all right guys, well thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will check you guys later.